Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel. Just like a heads up, as you know, we're all kind of locked in our house and my whole family's here and they're kind of loud, so might have a lot of interruptions, so the video might be all over the place per usual. If you know me, you know that I rarely make my bed because I'm just gonna get right back in it. But today we're gonna make it because I have nothing else better to do, so we're gonna be productive queens or kings or in betweens, you know. So let's just get into it. We're about to go to the store. I wanted to show you my going to the store outfit. It's pretty bummy. My Crocs, Dick's Sporting Goods, my leggings, Forever 21. This Clayton State jacket is my sister, so she goes to Clayton State. And this little number right here, I love me some Dooney and Burke. I got this from Depop, which I love the side bag look. If you watched my braces vlogs, then you already seen it. And my nails are French tip. I never really thought I would like French tip, but it's pretty cute. I think it might be my go-to, because usually I do pink as my go-to. Yeah, I'm probably gonna add hoops because I just feel like it spices this up. I just wish us luck at this grocery store. Okay, I'll see you guys there. I always do the peace sign and the kissy face, like I need to stop. It's annoying, but I can't help it, so. Alright, we're pushing it. So I've always wanted to try Pocky. I think I'm gonna try it. It's 88 cents, so why not?
I mean, not pistachios, but I like cashews.
So I'm here in the iced coffee section again. One of my subscribers said I should try International Delight, so I am.
Maybe just go through.
Back home. It's 4:09. I'm currently editing this video that you're watching right now, so yeah, it's pretty lengthy and it's not even finished, but I haven't edited it yet. I got Pocky at the store because I watch this in like ASMR videos. They eat this, so I want to try it. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be good. Smells so good. Wow, they're really good. Okay, I got the video down to 9 minutes and my laptop screen is dirty. I'm just not realizing that. Over this break, I guess you can say, I started watching Star Wars, and I never ever in my life thought I would start watching Star Wars and actually like it. Like, it's actually pretty good. I'm on the 4th episode. Not really, because if you know, Star Wars came out with like the 4th episode first, but I think I watched it backwards because I watched 4, 5, and 6 first because they came out first, and then the first episode came out 4th, so I'm now on the 1st episode. It all sounds confusing, and it kind of is. I didn't know that it was like that, but if you need something to watch, it's pretty good. I recommend. And they're pretty long movies, so they waste a lot of time when we're home, because we're home a lot now. See, this is the one I am currently on, and it's the 1st episode, but I watched the 4th one first, if it makes sense. I don't know. If you know, you know. My mom just decided to throw down in the kitchen. Okay, Mama, I see you. Okay, so this is the first round of what I'm eating. I'm eating neck bones off the bone with the rice and then cabbage with hot sauce because hot sauce makes everything better. And then I'm drinking this Kool-Aid Jimmer because I'm childish. But they're pretty good, so whatever. And I'm watching Vanderpump Rules. It's a really good show. If you haven't watched it, you should. Reality TV just hits different. So if you didn't know, now you know. Okay, it is 7:20. I got the video down to 4 minutes and 1 second. So it's time for me to add the other clips. Your girl finally got a new candle because my other ones are pretty dead. The fact that I have to work tomorrow blows my mind. I was gonna like try to stay up because I was gonna get on YouTube live again. I did last night, but it kept getting removed. I guess I didn't know the rules, so it got removed. But I'm gonna go to sleep early tonight because my sleeping schedule is all the way messed up from staying at home all the time, but I have to go to work tomorrow. So I'm gonna head to bed early. I'm currently sitting on the toilet because I don't want to stand, but seriously, best feeling of the day. When I was at Walmart, I got the Witch Hazel cleansing pads. I don't know, I keep trying new things out for my skin because my skin is looking horrible. So I'm hoping this works. I've been trying a lot of things, none of them work, but that might be why it's not working, because I keep trying new things, but who knows. I just noticed I was looking at the viewfinder like the whole time, so forgive me, my apologies. Like, ugh, I can't stand looking at myself up close because it just looks so bad. Like, I'm gonna take a shower and then head to bed. We'll probably watch another movie and probably eat another snack. My eating habits too, probably why my skin sucks. My sister's crying, wow. Don't have kids, guys. I'm just watching YouTube. Penny! We have Family Guy playing, but we're not really watching it. They have a midnight snack, even though it's not midnight, but it feels like midnight, with some water. Okay, so I'm out, clearly. But I went in this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I think I will continue the school vlogs, just online classes. We are actually on spring break right now, so that's why I don't have any work to do. So we go back March 30th, so it'll start then. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you watched all the way up to this moment, leave a hill emoji in the comment section just to like confuse everyone, and I want to see who watches all the way through. So thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. I need to say that first. I love you guys so much. And yeah, okay, I'm gonna go now because my outros are forever. So bye, good night, good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're watching this. Bye.